Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will learn though, although, but conjunctions. Though, although, but. These conjunctions are used to join two sentences or two clauses which show contrast. Contrast, for example, she got her birthday gift, she is unhappy. In these two sentences, two things are told about a girl. She is getting a gift, birthday gift, then also she is unhappy. It is ordinary course, it is natural that if someone gets his or her birthday gift, he or she should be happy, but in this case, she is not happy. So this is the contrast. She is getting birthday gift, but she is unhappy. So in such sentences, to join such clauses, such sentences, we use though, although, but conjunctions. Now, though, although are same, they are one, and but is different than them. Though, although make complex sentences, though, although make subordinate adverb clauses of contrast, and but will make compound sentence. Here, let us see why using but in the sentences of though, although. In the exam, some sentences will come to you and in the bracket instruction will be given use though, although or use but. So how to solve such problems, that we will see. First sentence, although I trust you, you don't. We are seeing using but in the sentences of though, although. Here this although clause is coming first, because although clause is a subordinate clause, it is subordinate adverb clause of contrast. This is why after this subordinate clause we are giving comma to join the main clause, another sentence. Earlier also you have seen if the sentences such as if or unless, such conjunctions are there in the subordinate clauses. Whenever such subordinate clauses come first, after such subordinate clauses we give comma. But whenever you are using these clauses after the main clause, such as this sentence, I don't need the mobile phone although your offer is good. In this, although your offer is good, this is subordinate clause and it is coming after the main clause. So here no need to give the comma. This conjunction acts as the joining part of both the sentences. This is why here after the first clause we don't give comma. Now why using but in such a sentence? Whenever you use but in contrast sentences, you have to remove although and you have to use but in the another clause in which although was not there. If you use this but in the sentence of although, it will not make any sense. See, if I say but I trust you, you don't, this sentence is not making any sense. This is why you have to use that but in the main clause. I trust you but you don't. Come on the second example. Let us solve these examples one by one. I don't need the mobile phone although your offer is good. Here the subordinate clause is coming afterwards, but you have to take it first while using but in this sentence. Your offer is good, comma, but I don't need the mobile phone. See, your offer is good, comma, but I don't need the mobile phone. Sometimes such sentence will come in which the subordinate clause of contrast will come afterwards, but when you use but, you have to use that clause first, and you have to remove though, although. No need to change the tenses, no other changes are required. Come on, the third example. Though the exam was lengthy, it was not difficult. The exam was lengthy, but it was not difficult. The exam was lengthy, but it was not difficult. Come on, the fourth example. Though I tried to find my earring, I couldn't find it. I tried to find my earring, but I couldn't find it. Now students, let us see how to use though although in the sentence of but. As you done in the above examples, as you seen in the above examples, the same way you have to use but, you have to use though although. But we will remove, and though although we will use in the first clause in which but is not there. Though I am busy in doing studies, I can give time to help my mother. This way, though I am busy in doing studies, you have given here because the subordinate clause is coming first. You have to use this though or although in the other sentence, other clause in which but was not used. Thereafter comma as it is, but you have to remove, and the second clause as it is. Come on, the second example. It was a major accident, but the car driver didn't get any injury. Though it was a major accident, the car driver didn't get any injury. This sentence you can write in this way also. The car driver didn't get any injury though it was a major accident. It will be correct. Means just this clause you are placing afterwards and you are not using the comma. Come on, the third example. I eat very little but I am getting fat. Though I eat very little, I am getting fat. Fourth example, my right hand is injured but I have completed my homework. Though my right hand is injured, I have completed my homework. So this is how you have seen how to use though although in the sentences of but, or how to use but in the sentences of though although. Sometimes neither though although nor but will come in the sentences. Blank sentences, two sentences will come, and instruction will be come to you in the bracket. Use though or use but. So understanding the meaning of the sentences, you have to use though, although or but in the sentence. Watch the video. If you have any doubt, you can call me on my personal number or you can ask the doubt. Take care, stay home, stay safe.